Introducing automated trading bots, powerful tools that harness the potential of algorithms to navigate the capital markets with precision and efficiency. But what exactly is an automated trading bot? It's a software program that executes trades on your behalf based on predefined rules and algorithms. These bots can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and execute trades in fractions of a second, all without human intervention. The real magic lies in the customization options. With automated trading bots, you have the power to tailor their behavior to your specific trading style and preferences. You can fine-tune parameters such as indicators, risk management strategies, entry and exit rules, and much more. But don't worry if you're new to coding or algorithmic trading. Business Escalation offers expert services to create and customize these bots for you. With just a few clicks, you can have a fully personalized automated trading bot that fits your unique trading goals. Start leveraging the power of automation today with automated trading bots.